This is another 2016 C63s coupe. It's got the trick yellow decals, it's got carbon ceramic brakes and the amazing diamond stitch interior. So this thing is absolutely trick as, and it's about to get the downpipes that it deserves, and then I think it's getting it tuned very shortly. So let's get these downpipes on and get some sound clips before and after. These are the same downpipes I've fitted previously to these vehicles. They're a very good quality finish. They have really good quality welds, and they're a straight bolt up, not really a lot of mucking around. And they come with new clamps and everything that you need. Oxygen sensors fit straight in. So let's open these up and have a good look. This thing is totally standard in the engine bay, has no tune, nothing in it yet, but it was handcrafted by Marco. Good job, Marco. Worst part about these is once you get the heat shields off the top, the heat shield at the back there needs to come out, and getting that around these original downpipes is a bit of a pain. And there's a couple of bolts, you can see them just down there, and a few back here that hold the heat shield on, and they're just real painful to get to. Fair bit of wriggling, and the old dump pipes are out. This bracket here is the real pain in the ass to get out. That's the one that sits underneath and actually holds all of the weight off of the back of the block or bell housing down there. I think it's actually the block that it sits on, and it makes it a real pain to actually wriggle the cats and actually get it out. But once you get that out, it's not too hard. You can actually sort of wriggle them out. Alright, we've got the oxygen sensors switched over with their little heat shield thingies on them, and they are ready to be slid into place. Alright, the dump pipes are basically wriggled into position, and they're just sitting there on the V-bands, not tightened up or anything. And now there's a fair bit more wriggling to go on. This little bracket down here that actually mounts to the top of the block, that needs to be lined up, and then the heat shield has to kind of like slide under it, which is an absolute pain. So now it's got a little bit more mucking around to do. I can line up the bottom sections of the pipes and reassemble everything and fire it up.